Biomanufacturing is revolutionizing the way we create products, from everyday foods to complex industrial chemicals. At its core, biomanufacturing uses living organisms, often genetically engineered, to produce materials that were once made through traditional chemical processes. This innovative field blends biology, engineering, and technology, opening up new possibilities for sustainable production. In this video, we'll explore how biomanufacturing works, its applications, and why it's becoming so important in today's world. Let's start by understanding the basics of this exciting technology and how it's shaping the future of manufacturing. The heart of biomanufacturing lies the science of genetic engineering. Scientists modify the DNA of microorganisms like bacteria or yeast, giving them the ability to produce specific substances. These engineered organisms act as tiny factories, efficiently converting raw materials into valuable products. The process is carefully controlled in bioreactors, where temperature, nutrients, and other conditions are optimized for maximum yield. This scientific approach not only increases efficiency but also reduces the environmental impact compared to traditional manufacturing methods. Biomanufacturing starts in the laboratory where scientists design and test engineered organisms. Once a successful strain is developed, the process is scaled up for industrial production. This transition from lab-scale to large-scale manufacturing involves optimizing growth conditions, ensuring product consistency, and meeting safety standards. The result is a seamless integration of cutting-edge science with industrial processes, allowing for the mass production of everything from food ingredients to pharmaceuticals. Engineered organisms are at the core of biomanufacturing. These are living cells such as bacteria, yeast, or even algae that have been genetically modified to perform specific tasks. By inserting new genes or editing existing ones, scientists can program these organisms to produce a wide range of products. This approach allows for precise control over the manufacturing process and opens up possibilities that were previously unimaginable. Bioreactors are specialized vessels where engineered organisms grow and produce the desired products. These environments are carefully monitored and controlled to ensure optimal growth and productivity. Factors like temperature, pH, oxygen levels, and nutrient supply are constantly adjusted. Bioreactors come in various sizes, from small laboratory setups to massive industrial tanks, making them versatile tools for biomanufacturing at any scale. One of the most exciting applications of biomanufacturing is in food production. Engineered yeast and bacteria can produce proteins, flavors, and even vitamins that are used in a variety of foods. This technology enables the creation of plant-based meats, dairy alternatives, and nutritional supplements, offering sustainable and ethical options for consumers. The food industry is rapidly adopting biomanufacturing to meet the growing demand for innovative and eco-friendly products. Biomanufacturing is transforming the production of industrial chemicals. Instead of relying on fossil fuels and energy-intensive processes, companies are turning to engineered microbes to synthesize chemicals like biofuels, solvents, and plastics. This shift not only reduces greenhouse gas emissions, but also creates new opportunities for sustainable industry. The result is a cleaner, greener approach to manufacturing essential material. Pharmaceutical industry has embraced biomanufacturing to produce life-saving medicines. Engineered cells are used to create complex drugs, vaccines, and therapeutic proteins that are difficult or impossible to make using traditional methods. This approach has led to faster development times, increased accessibility, and improved safety for patients. Biomanufacturing is now a cornerstone of modern medicine, driving innovation in healthcare. Biomanufacturing is making waves in the textile industry as well. Engineered organisms can produce fibers like spider silk or cellulose, which are then spun into fabrics. These bio-based textiles are not only strong and versatile but also environmentally friendly. By reducing reliance on traditional agriculture and petrochemicals, biomanufacturing is paving the way for a more sustainable fashion industry. From skincare to haircare, biomanufacturing is changing the way personal care products are made. Engineered microbes can produce ingredients like hyaluronic acid, fragrances, and natural colorants. These bio-derived components are often purer and more sustainable than their synthetic counterparts, offering consumers safer and more environmentally conscious choices. One of the key advantages of biomanufacturing is its positive impact on the environment. By using renewable resources and engineered organisms, this approach reduces waste, lowers energy consumption, and minimizes pollution. Biomanufacturing processes are often designed to be closed-loop, meaning that byproducts can be recycled or reused, further enhancing sustainability. Biomanufacturing is creating new economic opportunities by enabling the development of high-value products and industries. Startups and established companies alike are investing in this technology to tap into emerging markets, from sustainable materials to specialty chemicals. As the field grows, it's generating jobs and fostering innovation across multiple sectors. Despite its promise, biomanufacturing faces several challenges. Scaling up from lab to industry can be complex and costly. There are also regulatory hurdles as new products must meet strict safety and quality standards. Additionally, public perception and acceptance of genetically engineered organisms can influence the adoption of these technologies. Overcoming these challenges will be key to realizing the full potential of biomanufacturing. Safety is a top priority in biomanufacturing. Regulatory agencies closely monitor the development and production of bio-based products to ensure they are safe for consumers and the environment. Companies must adhere to strict guidelines, conduct rigorous testing, and maintain transparency throughout the process. These measures help build trust and ensure the responsible use of biotechnology. The future of biomanufacturing is bright, with ongoing research and development driving new breakthroughs. Advances in synthetic biology, automation, and data analytics are making it easier to design and optimize engineered organisms. As technology evolves, we can expect to see even more innovative applications, from biodegradable plastics to personalized medicine. Synthetic biology is a driving force behind modern biomanufacturing. By designing and constructing new biological parts, scientists can create organisms with tailored functions. This approach enables the production of novel materials and chemicals that were previously unattainable, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. Automation is streamlining biomanufacturing processes, making them more efficient and reliable. Robots and advanced software can monitor and control bioreactors, manage data, and even assist in quality control. This reduces human error, speeds up production, and allows for greater scalability, making biomanufacturing more accessible to a wider range of industries. Data analytics plays a crucial role in optimizing biomanufacturing. By collecting and analyzing large amounts of data from bioreactors, scientists can identify trends, troubleshoot issues, and fine-tune processes for maximum efficiency. This data-driven approach leads to higher yields, better quality products, and more sustainable operations. Biomanufacturing is paving the way for personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to individual patients. Engineered cells can produce custom drugs and therapies based on a person's genetic profile. This approach promises more effective treatments with fewer side effects, marking a significant shift in healthcare. Biofuels produced through biomanufacturing offer a renewable alternative to fossil fuels. Engineered microbes convert plant material or waste into ethanol, biodiesel, and other fuels. These biofuels can power vehicles and industries while reducing carbon emissions, contributing to a more sustainable energy landscape. Biomanufacturing enables the production of bioplastics, plastics made from renewable biological sources. These materials are often biodegradable and have a lower environmental footprint than conventional plastics. By replacing petroleum-based plastics with bioplastics, industries can help address the global problem of plastic pollution. Enzymes are essential for many industrial processes, from food production to cleaning products. Biomanufacturing allows for the efficient and sustainable production of enzymes using engineered organisms. These bio-based enzymes are often more effective and environmentally friendly than their synthetic counterparts. Biomanufacturing has played a crucial role in the rapid development and production of vaccines. Engineered cells can produce vaccine components quickly and at scale, enabling faster responses to emerging health threats. This technology has been instrumental in addressing global health challenges and improving public health outcomes. Fragrance industry is turning to biomanufacturing to create natural scents. Engineered microbes can produce aromatic compounds that mimic or even improve upon traditional fragrances. This approach offers a sustainable alternative to harvesting rare plants or using synthetic chemicals, benefiting both consumers and the environment. Biomanufacturing is also making an impact in agriculture. Engineered microbes can produce biofertilizers, pest-resistant crops, and animal feed additives. These innovations help farmers increase yields, reduce chemical use, and promote sustainable farming practices, supporting food security and environmental health. Waste valorization is the process of turning waste materials into valuable products using biomanufacturing. Engineered organisms can break down agricultural, industrial, or municipal waste and convert it into biofuels, chemicals, or other useful materials. This not only reduces landfill waste but also creates new revenue streams. Bioremediation uses engineered organisms to clean up environmental pollutants. These microbes can break down toxins in soil, water, or air, helping to restore ecosystems and protect public health. Biomanufacturing enables the large-scale production of these beneficial organisms, making environmental cleanup more effective and sustainable. The construction industry is exploring bio-based materials made through biomanufacturing. Engineered organisms can produce substances like biocement or biobricks, which offer strength and durability while reducing the carbon footprint of building projects. These innovations are helping to create greener, more sustainable cities. Biomanufacturing is bringing new possibilities to the cosmetics industry. Engineered microbes can produce pigments, antioxidants, and moisturizers that are used in makeup and skincare products. These bio-based ingredients are often safer, more effective, and better for the environment than traditional alternatives. Biomanufacturing is enabling the development of animal-free testing methods. Engineered cells can be used to create models for drug testing, reducing the need for animal experiments. This not only speeds up research but also aligns with ethical standards and regulatory requirements. Packaging is another area where biomanufacturing is making a difference. Engineered organisms can produce biodegradable packaging materials that replace plastics and reduce waste. These solutions are helping companies meet sustainability goals and respond to consumer demand for eco-friendly products. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and data analysis to support biomanufacturing. By analyzing genetic data, scientists can design better organisms and optimize production processes. This interdisciplinary approach accelerates innovation and helps solve complex challenges in the field. Biomanufacturing is having a global impact, with countries around the world investing in research and infrastructure. This technology is helping to address challenges like climate change, resource scarcity, and public health. By fostering international collaboration, biomanufacturing is driving progress toward a more sustainable and equitable future. As biomanufacturing grows, there is a rising demand for skilled professionals. Educational programs and workforce development initiatives are preparing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and technicians. These efforts are essential for supporting the industry's expansion and ensuring continued innovation. Public perception plays a significant role in the adoption of biomanufacturing. Clear communication about the benefits, risks, and safety measures is crucial for building trust. Engaging with communities and stakeholders helps address concerns and ensures that the technology is used responsibly. Ethics are central to the development and application of biomanufacturing. Questions about genetic modification, environmental impact, and access to technology must be carefully considered. Ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public helps ensure that biomanufacturing advances in a responsible and equitable manner. Biomanufacturing thrives on collaboration between academia, industry, and government. Partnerships accelerate research, streamline regulation, and drive commercialization. By working together, stakeholders can overcome challenges and unlock the full potential of this transformative technology. Biomanufacturing is behind many consumer products we use every day, from food and beverages to cleaning supplies. Engineered organisms help create ingredients that are safer, more sustainable, and often more affordable. As awareness grows, consumers are increasingly seeking out bio-based products for their homes and families. Biomanufacturing is transforming supply chains by enabling local and decentralized production. Products can be made closer to where they are needed, reducing transportation costs and emissions. This flexibility helps companies respond quickly to market demands and disruptions. COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the need for resilient manufacturing systems. Biomanufacturing offers flexibility and adaptability, allowing companies to pivot quickly in response to changing circumstances. This resilience is critical for maintaining supply chains and meeting global needs during crises. Investment in biomanufacturing is growing rapidly, with venture capital, government grants, and corporate funding fueling research and development. This financial support is essential for scaling up new technologies and bringing innovative products to market. Open innovation is accelerating progress in biomanufacturing. By sharing knowledge, data, and resources, organizations can solve problems faster and develop better solutions. This collaborative approach is driving breakthroughs and expanding the reach of biomanufacturing technologies. Biomanufacturing supports the circular economy by enabling the reuse and recycling of materials. Engineered organisms can convert waste into valuable products, closing the loop and reducing the need for virgin resources. This approach helps create a more sustainable and efficient economy. Biomanufacturing is providing solutions to global health challenges, from producing affordable medicines to developing new vaccines. By making essential products more accessible, this technology is improving health outcomes and supporting public health initiatives worldwide. As we look to the future, biomanufacturing stands poised to transform industries and improve lives around the world. With continued innovation, collaboration, and responsible development, this technology will play a vital role in building a more sustainable, healthy, and prosperous society. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are truly limitless.